Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Arattai app OTP not receiving problem on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing issue to receive OTP for registration of Arattai app, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First, before going, you have to check carefully whether you are entering correct mobile number. If your number you have entered is wrong, then you will not receive OTP. First you have to carefully check whether your number is correct or not. After that, if your number is correct, then what you have to do, you have to just open your messages app. In top right side corner you will see your profile icon. Tap on that, then tap on message settings. In this you can see here second option, notification. You have to just tap on this. You have to make sure that all message notifications is turned on. If it is turned off, you have to just turn it on. After that, here you can see incoming messages. If this is turned off, you have to just turn it on, then go back. Here you will find message organization. Tap on this. You have to make sure this option is turned off. Auto delete OTPs after 24 hours. If this option is turned on, you have to just turn it off, then go back. After doing this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you have to make sure that you are receiving other text messages or not. If there is a problem to receive other messages also, then this may be your network operator issue. You have to check with your network provider. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Arattai app OTP not receiving problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.